At Earth Right, we're passionate about making a difference.
From solar and battery backup to home efficiency and roofing, we're committed to benefiting the communities we serve with one home, one family, and one community at a time.
Through education, transparent conversations, and reliable service, we bring the future of energy independence right to your doorstep.
Don't just take it from me, though. Hear what your neighbors have to say.
And people, they're already struggling to pay the utility bill.
We opened our power bill and there were the numbers, and I knew that they were only going to go up from there.
I didn't want to be an old man paying a $1,000 electric bill.
Companies are going to be raising prices over here. Here it is. You're subbing. You're bringing in energy. And again, it's clean energy.
Once you agree to go solar, it's a very simple and easy process through Earth Right Mid-Atlantic.
Corey's crew took care of it all. And it takes a lot off of the customers when you're working with a company like that.
You're not going to see your electric bill grow.
Yeah, we've seen all of the benefits. The air conditioning is working less. I've had an electric bill of $8.52 a month, which is just my hookup fee.
It's the future.
We understand that every home is unique, which is why we don't offer the one-size-fits-all solution.
We look at how the home is used, what matters day to day, and what needs to stay on when conditions are not normal.
At Earth Right, energy efficiency is the foundation of everything we do.
It's about creating a home that works smarter, not harder. Because staying warm shouldn't come at the cost of your wallet.
During an energy assessment, we'll help you identify these problem areas and recommend cost-effective fixes.
Simple upgrades like proper insulation, reflective insulation, and sealing air leaks can make a huge difference.
Power is something most people don't think about until it's gone. When an outage happens, it affects everything in the house. Heat, refrigeration, communication, daily routines.
Battery backup keeps essential systems running and gives the home stability during those outage events.
With reliable solutions like the Tesla Powerwall, you'll have peace of mind knowing your power is secure even when the grid goes down.
Here's where it all comes together. Welcome to the Earth Right Mid-Atlantic Educational Showroom. This is your one-stop space to learn about solar, energy efficiency, and everything in between. Seeing these products firsthand is such a valuable opportunity. It's not every day you can touch, explore, and truly understand the technology that can transform your home and save you money.
Whether it's lowering your bills, adding battery backup, or improving your home's overall efficiency. No sales pitches, just straightforward answers and customized recommendations tailored to your home.
Whether you're just exploring your options or you're ready to make the switch, we are here to help. For 15 years, we've been committed to making homes more energy efficient. 5 years ago, we took it a step further. By combining education, efficiency, and solar, we're on the cutting edge of whole home energy solutions. That's why we offer more than just solar solutions. We're here to provide energy independence and security. Earth Right Mid-Atlantic puts energy independence within reach.
Because we believe everyone deserves a more sustainable tomorrow.